So, if you've got a store or a brand and haven't set up email marketing yet, you're leaving money on the table. Every time someone visits your site, sign up for a discount or add something to their carts and leaves, that's potential sell you could recover with just one well-timed email. A few weeks ago, I launched my own skincare brand, and it's been non-stop work. Building the site, designing packaging, and processing orders. One of the best things I did early on was getting email and SMS marketing set up with Omnisend. I chose it because it is powerful yet intuitive. It is built specifically for e-commerce and doesn't have a steep learning curve and has all the tools you need to actually convert visitors into buyers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up step by step so you can do the same even if you have never sent an email campaign before. So part number one, why I chose Omnisend. Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform built for e-commerce businesses. It can handle welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, product updates, sales announcements, SMS campaigns, and fully automated workflows that run in the background. Integration is super simple. It basically works with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and more. Once connected, it syncs your products, orders, and customer data automatically. Honestly, after watching a tons of tutorial, I picked Omnisend because it is a tool experts trust, but newcomers can master. It doesn't make you jump through hoops to set up automation, and you don't need to know how to code. It is used by over 150,000 businesses worldwide already, and it's also stand out for offering 24/7 support on every single plan, even the free one. And they will help you migrate for free with a real human support. Brands using Omnisend average about $68 in sales for every $1 spent. Part number two, step by step, getting started with Omnisend. So let's walk through exactly how to set it up. If you want to follow along, there is a link in the description. It is free to start, so you can try everything without risk. And if you're ready to upgrade to a paid plan for more features, you can use my code ApprenticeDiary at checkout to get a 30% off your first 3 months. All right, step number one is to sign up and connect your store. Click the link in the description of this video and then create your account. The free plan is generous. It includes automation, SMS, and live chat support. Once you're in, connect your store. I use Shopify, and it took under 5 minutes to set up. Your products, customer profiles, order history, all sync automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. Step number two, build a welcome email automation. Welcome emails usually get the highest open rates of any marketing email. In the dashboard, go to Automations, Pre-built Workflows, Welcome Series. Create one email that basically thanks them for signing up, introduces your brand, and offers a small discount or incentive. Omnisend's editor is powerful yet intuitive. No coding is needed. You just drag and drop and customize. Once you're happy with it, turn it on. Now, every new subscriber gets a branded automated welcome email. Step number three, recover abandoned carts. This one is essential. Cart abandonment is common but fixable. From automations, pick cart abandonment. You can set it to email them an hour after they leave and then follow up after 24 hours. And then you can optionally include a discount code in the second email. Once set up, it runs in the background, recovering sales you would otherwise lose. Step number four, grow your list with forms and pop-ups. No list means no one to email. Go to forms and create a pop-up or embedded form. Offer something simple like a 10% discount, a free download, or a giveaway entry. Customize the design and targeting. Once someone signs up, they're automatically added to your list and drop into your welcome flow. Part number three, sending campaigns. When you're ready to send a promotion or update, go to New Campaign. You can send email, SMS, or both. Use one of their templates or build your own. Keep the subject line clear and short. Focus your message, don't clutter it. Use strong visuals and a single clear call to action like shop now or grab your discount. Omnisend tracks opens, clicks, sales, details so you know exactly what is working. Part number 4, use segments for better results. Segments let you target specific groups of customers. For example, buyers in the last 30 days, or subscribers who click but didn't buy, or VIPs who spent over $100 in your store. Just go to Audience, Segments, Create Segment. Better targeting means more opens and more clicks and more sales. Now, part number 5, tracking and analytics. In reports, you get a clear picture of your marketing performance. That's basically open and click-through rates, revenue generated, automation result. It is built for e-commerce brands so you can see what is making you money and what needs work without digging through confusing spreadsheets. So when you're doing SMS campaign, you have to make sure that people are giving you permission to send them messages, because otherwise you can actually get sued. A disclaimer in SMS marketing is a statement you include to tell recipients important legal or compliance information. It sets expectations and helps you avoid legal trouble. Typically, disclaimer covers consent, clarify that the recipient opted in, frequency, how many messages they can expect, charges, message and data rates may apply, opt-out instruction, reply stop to unsubscribe, privacy, link or reference to your privacy policy. Okay, so here's an example of a standard SMS disclaimer. Something like, you're subscribed to your brand name, up to 4 messages a month, message and data rates may apply, reply stop to stop, and then you have your privacy link. Why do you need them? It is not just nice to have. In many places, it is a legal requirement. So you have to know that in the US, SMS marketing is regulated by the TCPA, which is the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. Violation can cost you thousands of dollars per text. Many countries have their own regulations. For example, GDPR in Europe and CASL in Canada. Disclaimers help show you actually follow the rules about informed consent. What should be in every SMS campaign? Alright, so most know or should know to include in your disclaimer. Clear up in language when collecting numbers. Don't pre-check boxes or hide consent in fine print. Confirmation message on sign up with terms. About instruction in every marketing text. Business identification so the user knows who you are. Frequency disclosures so users know what they are signing up for. Best practices beyond the legal minimum. You should keep the messages short, personal, and relevant. Don't text at odd hours like at 2 a.m. Segment your audience to avoid spamming irrelevant offers. Respect opt-outs immediately. Secure your contact list and avoid sharing it without permission. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Assuming prior customer relationships mean you can text them. Always get explicit consent. Hiding opt-out instruction or making them hard to follow is a no-no. Over-texting, even if they opted in, spamming can get you blocked or reported. Not updating your disclaimer when offer changes. If you're running an e-commerce brand, especially if you're doing it solo or with a small team, Omnisend is a solid choice. It gives you advanced features without being complicated, and it offers real 24/7 support even on the free plan. And they even helps you migrate over for free with a real person guiding you. You can try it out right now using the link below. And if you are interested in taking your brand even further, check out my next video on how to start a skincare brand with dropshipping. I share everything that I've learned about getting started, sourcing products, and building my own store step by step. Click the video on the screen or use the link in the description. See you there.